Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Roadtrippers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the more section, click on the support button. And if you scroll down, look for the contact us button and click on that. And as you can see, the way you can contact them is by giving your email address where they can reach you. You have to type in the subject of your complaint or question, and then of course you have to describe what your issue or question is, and then you can set the device that you're using, but that is optional. And then you can also attach files, for example, a photo of an application bug or anything that can be helpful. And then if you're ready, just click on the submit button, and they will reach you within a short time. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.